Hello my friends, today I wanna show how my protractor works and how to adjust it. In my system, protractor doesn't move across table in the slot. It is firmly fixed on the table, and for cutting I need to move saw itself. For the first time it was some strange feeling, but next I understood this way is much better than usual. We have some very valuable advantages here. For example, you can use clamps. You can clamp workpiece to the table, not only to the fence. It's a very good way, especially if your workpiece flat like mine and small. When you are moving your workpiece and meter guide across table in the slot, there is harder to control it because table moves under workpiece. Sometimes it's very difficult to hold workpiece by hands and control it on the way. But in my case I have no any such problems because nothing moves at all. This profile on the video, it's a temporary solution. I plan to make a more complicated system here. Here you can see I wanna cut a difficult angle 67.5. This is not the best way, but it's possible to do so. But I have one more variant for this angle. For this I need to change position of meter guide. I need to put it to one whole step closer to the cut line and move profile back. This way protractor located on the cut line, but it's a more convenient way because meter guide placed closer to operator. You just need to stop saw before it will cut your protractor. So our meter guide can be moved on its usual place. Most of cuts with the frequent angles we can do from this position. This 90-degree cross cut maybe 99% of all needs. But we have a lot of possibilities for some extraordinary cases. Here I wanna make one more 67.5-degree angle, but from the other side. In this case I forced to move my meter guide forward, because saw cannot reach end of the workpiece. It looks a little troublesome here, but with the usual meter guide moving one with the slot, it's much more difficult, such angles. In my case I need just leisurely adjust it and cut without any troubles, especially if I will use some clamps. Clamps make work on the table much safer than previously. This way you can keep your hands far from the saw blade. So I hope things becomes more clear for you. Thank you for watching, see you next time.